Lighting the pilot light on a Trane furnace.
Hello viewers! In today's video, we'll be going through the steps on how to light the pilot light on your Trane furnace. This is a common task that homeowners might need to do, especially as the colder months approach.
What is the pilot light?
The pilot light is a small, continuous flame that's used to ignite the main burners of your furnace when it's time for them to kick on. If your furnace isn't producing heat, one possible cause might be that the pilot light has gone out.
Safety first.
Before you begin, always prioritize safety. 1. Turn off the furnace's power supply. This might involve switching off a circuit breaker or unplugging the unit. 2. Ensure there's no smell of gas. If you do detect a gas smell, evacuate the area and call a professional or your gas company immediately.
Lighting the pilot light.
Now, onto the main event. Here's how you can light the pilot light. 1. Locate the pilot light assembly. It's typically near the bottom of the furnace and has a gas valve with on-off pilot settings. 2. Turn the gas valve to the off position and wait a few minutes. This ensures any residual gas clears out. 3. Turn the valve to the pilot position. 4. While holding down the reset button or the pilot light button, use a long lighter or match to light the pilot light. 5. Continue holding the button down for about a minute after lighting the flame to allow the thermocouple, a safety device, to heat up. This ensures the gas valve remains open. 6. Once the pilot light is stable, release the button and turn the valve to the on position.
Troubleshooting.
If you're having trouble, 1. The pilot light doesn't stay lit. This often means there's an issue with the thermocouple. It might need adjusting or replacing. 2. No gas is coming out. Ensure the gas supply valve is open, and your gas subscription is active. If everything seems in order but no gas is coming out, call a professional. And that's it. You've successfully lit the pilot light on your Trane furnace. Remember, safety first, and if you ever feel unsure or smell gas, it's always best to call in a professional. Hope this video has been helpful. Stay warm and safe.